What's up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you exactly how much money I made from 1 million views. Before we do get into this video, I just want to tell you that we as YouTubers don't make much money from YouTube. The reason for that is there are many factors why YouTubers don't make much money from their videos. The first reason is the CPM. If you guys don't know what is CPM, it's how much money YouTube pays you for 1000 or 1000 views on your video. And the second reason is where your viewers come from. For example, if people watch you from United States or from Europe or United Kingdom, for example, you make much money. I mean, you make a lot of money when people watch you from developed countries. When people watch you from for example, Africa, you won't make much money. The reason for that is that the companies won't pay a lot of money to YouTube. If they don't pay more money to YouTube, YouTube won't pay its creators more money. It's that simple, guys. I hope you can understand me because my English isn't that good, but I'm gonna show you exactly, guys, how much money I made from 1 million views. So as you can see here, in the last 7 days, my channel got 4,000 views in the last 7 days, and my estimated revenue is 20 cents or 21 cents. The reason for this is, of course, Rona, and I will click on videos so that I can show you how much money I made from 1 million views. So this video has reached 1 million views. I made this video with my friend in Arabic language, and I'm going to show you guys how much money this video made. As you can see here, the likes are 23,000 likes. That's a lot of likes right there. And let's click on analytics. Let's see how much money this video made. So as you can see here, from 1 million views I made 2 cents. This is a lot of money. I'm just kidding. I understand, guys, you may be wondering why this video only made 20 cents. This is crazy. I can't believe this, because that's a million views. Like, at least I have to make $300, at least $300. But I don't know why, guys. And this video is monetized. As you can see here, I will click on videos, and as you can see here, the video is monetized. This video is being monetized. I don't know why. And I have another video that has reached 700,000 views, but it's not suitable for most advertisers, and the video isn't monetized. So I only make money when people watch me from YouTube Premium or Premium. Anyway, and I will click on analytics, and I will show you how much money this video made. So this video made 1 cent. This is crazy. 700,000 views, I made 1 cent. But I don't blame YouTube, because this video isn't suitable for most advertisers. So there are no ads. There are no ads on this video. That's the reason why I don't make any money from this video. If the video is not suitable for most advertisers, you are pretty much making nothing. And this video has reached 20,000 views. I will show you the earnings of this video. So as you can see, guys, it has 21,000 views, and it made 6 cents, and it got this video has generated 84 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, if you have subscribed to the channel, by the way, but I don't think so, because this channel is on Arabic. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so this video, in the last 48 hours, it got 132 views. As you can see, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are still watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate that. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a like. All I ask for is 1 like. If this video hits 10 likes, I will make another video on how much money I made from how much money I made video.